Hey, it's Dad, and welcome back to another Horror Absurdity Deep Dive. This time around, we're diving in deep to Avalanche Sharks! This was released in 2014 and was a Canadian made-for-television horror film. Basically, an avalanche awakens a prehistoric shark in the mountains, and it starts attacking everyone. Yeah, horror absurdity. Avalanche Shark rode the hype train of Sharknado, as this was released afterwards. So then everyone tried to get on the shark hype train and create absurd shark titles. Shark Exorcist, Sharks of the Corn, Avalanche Sharks. It's horror! It's absurd!